Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Medina. In today's video, I am going to be talking about describing people, physical and feelings. So here I go. He is Peter. He is a soccer player. He is young, slim and athletic. He has a short, curly and brown hair. He also has green eyes. He likes to play soccer and listen to romantic music, but he dislikes watching TV. He is very open and interesting. He is friendly and he's never bored. This is the second person. She is Kathy. She is a nurse. She is middle-aged, tall and average weight. She has a short, straight and brown hair. Her eyes are brown too. She is really pretty and patient. She likes working and painting. She works long hours, so she's not lazy. And she's always happy at her work. She is polite and respectful. He is young. He is a waiter. He is old, slim, and small. He has a short, blonde, and wavy hair. He has brown eyes. He likes watching movies for long hours, but he dislikes working hard. He is always bored and lazy at his work. He is not patient. His favorite color is black, and he is seldom optimistic. He is never energetic at work. The last person is Carolina. She is a pilot. She is young, very tall, and slim. She has a blonde, long, and straight hair. She likes drawing planes and playing piano, but she dislikes listening to music. She is sometimes shy around people, but she is outgoing with her family and close friends. Her favorite color is pink. And she's always happy when she flies planes and when she is with her family. She's always optimistic and she wants to be successful. It's been all about this presentation. I hope you like it and enjoy it, and see you next time. Bye bye.